Hello everybody and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to add Shopify to WordPress site. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. Adding Shopify to WordPress site is pretty easy. So first of all, what you need to do is you're going to head over to your WordPress site. So you're going to search in here for WordPress and make sure that you have site on that and you have created platform. Then you're going to be using integrations on your WordPress site to incorporate your Shopify. So or you can search in Shopify integrations as well for WordPress, just like that. And you can see we have the official WP simple WordPress feed and different other options as well. So give a try to these and eventually you will add Shopify site to WordPress. It is pretty easy. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.